Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. I have Doritos, limited time only. See, limited time only. Collisions. It's Cool Ranch and Intense Pickle. It's tortilla chip Dorito. I've seen these in gas stations, and they're really expensive. And I found them today, and I think it was a Dollarama when it was way cheaper. So I decided to give them a try. So I'm just going to go through the nutritional facts here. Per 20 chips or 50 grams, we're looking at 250 calories. 13 grams of fat, 31 carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, 3 grams of protein, 0 cholesterol, 300 milligrams of sodium. There you go. So, let's give these a try. Oh, I like pickles. Okay, you're gonna have to understand I like pickles, so really pickle smell. Typical Dorito, right? Wow, you get a real. That's actually a really nice combination. You get a lot of the pickle. You get a little bit of the Cool Ranch, but it's mostly the intense pickle flavor. I actually really like these. Abby, you want one? And that's a big no. I didn't expect her to have this because it's a little bit off for her flavor, but the ranch flavor is very light, but the pickle taste, if you like pickles, you'll like these. I like pickles. Well, I love pickles. I definitely bite these again, and I'm going to give these, and the only reason I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 is because where they're most popular is in gas stations. I find them a little hard to get a hold of. Maybe that's just my area, but these are delicious. These things are absolutely delicious. Guys, if you've tried them or you're thinking of trying them, come back. Let me know what you think. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.